Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is another set of examples for us to understand the elongation with alif. So let's recite this together and perfect our learning. Sawaba, sahaba, banaha, lawata, qadaha, tafahama, tanasara, taqaraba, tadaraka, tasalafa, yudafi'u, yunaqishu, yukhalifu, yataraja'u, yatawadda'u, asawiro, akabiro, ahasinu, hadaya, qadaya, ghabatu, kholatu, ataha. Now, here there is a brief explanation here. If you have been following us, you will understand that if we have, for example, ta, this ta, fatha, alif, mad, it will give you ta. So be for other alphabets. But you see alif, if alif want to carry its own elongation, we say that for fatha, we use alif to elongate fatha, right? So when we write alif, then the alif as-saghir, the small alif will be put on the top like instead of writing alif like this. I hope we get this explanation now. That is, we are not going to write like this. Rather, we write alif, the small alif, then we just inverted it. Look at it where it is not fatha that is there. It is alif, but we call it alif saghira. So we are going to explain it in our next video. So this will be spelled like alif mad. Get it now? So take note of that, so that this we are going to see them in Quran, many in Quran, so that when you see them, you will not think it is alif fatha. It is alif mad. Look at it where it is small alif that was put on top of this long alif horizontally. You get the point now? That is the difference between this and this. This one is alif fatha, while this one is alif mad. Now, ataha, akhirina, atharaha, amana, adamu, taba, wa anaba, hajaro, wajahada, aqama salatahu, rajahu, fahadahu, ajabahu, fada'ahu, ata'a, umaru, abahu, fafaza biridha khaliqihi. Now, so inshallah, in our next video, we are going to explain better how we use alif as-saghir. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.